Hey guys, what's up? Brian here, back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a vlog, and I'm presenting my computer tomorrow at school, this little fair kind of like show thing. Okay guys, I'm in the house now, and I am going to have some Eggo, because we never have these in the house, so I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity. Oh. How's it going, YouTube? I haven't done a video like this in a while, but it is time for updates. Okay, update number 1 is footage you are seeing right now. This is footage from my new camera, the Sony a5100. I've already recorded a couple videos on this, just as like face cam though, so it wasn't too substantial. But I am also using the GorillaPod hybrid tripod, and it's going great. The reason I picked this camera over DSLR is because I am not Casey Neistat, and I do not have that strong of arms, and I do a lot of vlogging with a GorillaPod like that, and I cannot hold out a DSLR. I don't know, it just makes my arm tired after a while. Yeah, so this is a much smaller form factor. Go ahead, look it up. Links are in the description to this camera. I like it a lot. It's a great camera, and it's perfect for video. Update number 2. I ordered some new headphones. These are the HiFiMan HE350s. They're right there. If you want to check them out, then links in the description. And but these headphones are open back headphones, which I've wanted for so long, because they give you more accurate sound when you're editing audio, and that's really cool because I edit a lot of audio, and I'm planning to do more in the future, doing like tech reviews and stuff, and I think I'm going to start doing that, so now that I have this camera. That's awesome. That is so cool. Alright, it's Mendocino made. I'm presenting my computer that Jack's playing Mirror's Edge on. Yeah. Went great, and I'm bringing my computer back now.